everything in the light get bright like heaven. 3 sevens. Yeah, and everything in the light get bright like heaven. 3 sevens. Yeah, and everything in the dark come to light. Get on my level. Think I'm finna stop going when I turn 27.
Alright, a lot of people came out to support, so you know.
Hello. Okay. Yeah, there we go. So excited. Okay, especially to be on video live like this. I really love this. So, anyway, we are happy to have small businesses, small minority businesses, and ice cream. It's like the threefer. We can't lose here. So on behalf of the state of California, Senator Scott Wilk, we thank you, we welcome you, we give you many blessings, and we love ice cream.
Let's do it!
Okay, if I get you guys right here, 1, 2, 3.
Yes, sir.
Perfect, thank you.
Thank you, Donna. Next up, we have from our state assemblyman, Mr. Tom Lackey. I have Anna Zarley. Anna! Go Anna! I was going to say, where's my cheer at? Come on, man!
Hi, everyone. On behalf of Assemblyman Tom Lackey, we just want to say congratulations. My grandkids are all over the place with this. They called me up to let me know what I need to try today. So just so you know, I think they know the whole menu. So yeah, exactly. So we just want to say congratulations, and we know how tough times have been, and we truly, truly congratulate you for opening up at this time of year. And now we're all okay, right? So we're gonna go good. It's gonna start getting hot, and we're gonna get busy. So on behalf of Assemblyman Tom Lackey, we just like to say congratulations.
Thank you. Okay, perfect. 1, 2, 3. Perfect.
Thank you, Anna. Next up, and to bring it home, is my chairman of my board for the AV Chambers. That would be Mr. A.J. Hampton.
Hello, everybody! Are you ready to rock? Are you ready to roll? Are you ready to have this grand opening? Let me hear you! Let me hear you! I don't hear you! All right, there you are! Julia, this is so beautiful. And I learned something from you today that makes it all worthwhile. And I understand that you have two beautiful ladies who has the recipe for all of your flavors. And they're very unique. They're not associated with anything else but yours, Julie. And it is so delicious. Have you guys tried it yet? All right, if you haven't, get some of it because it is so delicious. You will never be without it once you taste it. Okay? So we sincerely congratulate you and best wishes from the Antelope Valley Chambers of Commerce for this grand opening. And thank you for sharing it with us. And we're so proud to be here. And we want to wish you best of wishes and good all
it was a fresh upgrade. But I don't know if he has any left. That's
flavorful ice cream.
That was too eggs.
Okay?
That's good, man.
And God bless you.
Give it up!
All right, thank you, AJ. I would like to introduce the owner of this Angeles Great Place, Julia. Tell us about what we're here for.
Hi guys, my name is Julia and I own this Michoacana along with my family. They're actually in the crowd right now, spread out, working. I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who came. Thank you for all the support we have. Thank you for Upgrade for helping us with this. Thank you huge thank you to all of my girls. They've been working all week from 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. trying to prepare this and make this a great day for all of us. So thank you, and I hope you all enjoy it.
All right, thank you. So we're going to do a ribbon cutting next. So if I can get my presenters and my board and my ambassadors up here, I think we're going to have your girls up here too.
That's different.
Where? Oh, that's my boy. Is it the same color? Oh, that's Pat.
Tactical reload. Sorry.
Have fun, brother. Do whatever you want. Whatever you want.
Put the little ones in front of
How you doing, Belle? I like to see that. Good man. Nice and friendly. What's that, Belle? I feel something same to you.
No, don't play that, don't play that.
You never see that
The
again.
carrots I got it.
Good for him. Back. All right, if you can join me, so you can cut the ribbon on the count of 3. All join me together in 1, 2, 3. All right, thank you, Lancaster Ice Cream.
Check, living my life with no regrets. Ain't tryna impress. We finish it less. No feeling, no ceilings. Touching the sky, I fly over buildings. You said you were healing. The ground I'm tilling. I'm planting the seeds. I'm reaping the millions. Hard labor, yeah, I put in the work. They all